Guys, we got the new hacks live at the depot. You guys know what to do. You guys know what to get from all my videos that you guys watched. Yeah, this is, if you guys don't know, I will explain it right now real quick for you guys. Hack, basically what it is you buy one get one free. Either you keep both of them, which are pretty dang good deals, or you return the tool or the battery kits that you do not want at the store, live at the store. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'll leave you guys both of these links down below in the description section of this video. Also, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so you guys can help this channel out, so we can make more videos. All right, so M12, this is one of them. This is the M12 lithium 4 amp hour 2 amp hour battery packs. Oh, and also guys, stay tuned for this weekend, because I will have these deals live at the stores, either Friday or Saturday. I'll post it, so you guys will see what to look for in the stores. All right, so it's a 4 amp hour 2 amp hour battery packs and charger starter kit. So you guys do see, it does say buy one get one free, so get one free tool. You do have a standard charger. I wish they would include that M18 charger with these. These are just, I don't use these chargers at all. I don't know why they have them. Anyways, $149. It's a waste of plastic, basically. $149 down from $199. And then you got the free gift with purchase. You're gonna go down to the free gift with purchase. Come on, it's not working. All right. So once you're at the free gift with purchase, you're going to be able to select from this cordless 3/8 crown stapler, which I do have. I still have yet to test. That one's valued at $139. Obviously, the more value is going to get you the better deal. Yeah, the more the tool cost, the free tool cost, the better you're going to get for your money. So obviously, you want to choose the most expensive tools. The next one down is going to be the cordless electric portable inflator. That one's $129. Yes, guys, this is the brand new pack out floodlights. Well, it's not brand new, but it's been out. But this is one of the newest hackable tools, or buy one get one free tools that they have. All right, so this is the M12 12 volts lithium cordless pack of floodlight with USB charging. So this does have USB charging. If you guys are on the job site, you guys need a charger from for the Milwaukee batteries. Well, you got a light and a charger. So yeah, jump on this one, guys. I would definitely get that one. All right, so this one, and that one's valued at $149 again. You got the cordless compact spot blower for valued at $99. Rotary tool, $99. Cordless 1/4 inch hex impact driver, $139. All right, let's go on to the other one. If I don't mess up here, because I'm not good at this cell phone recording thing. Let's see if I click on the right one. All right, I did. So like I said, I'll leave you guys both of these links. You got the M12 12 volt lithium high output 5 amp hour 2.5 amp hour batteries. These are the brand new batteries. It is a 5 and a 2.5. You guys still see them right there. High output batteries, $249 down from $299. You're gonna select the free gift with purchase. Rocket light, guys, you're gonna be able to select the rocket light. If you guys don't have it, pick it up. This thing's very useful. It is light. It's not like the bigger rocket light that weighs 100 pounds. I'm just exaggerating, by the way. Yeah, but it is heavy. The other one, this one's very light, and it does have a lot of lumen power. So $199 for that one. I don't think this is you can plug this in. I forgot if you could be able to plug it in. Guys, this is another new tool. I was just looking at the store right now. This thing at the store, and this thing's a beast. I don't know if I want to get this one or get the M18. Anyways, you got the M12 cordless 9 gallon per minute 0 horsepower submersible stick water transfer pump, $199. Dang, that's a really nice transfer pump there. Definitely check it out for the smaller jobs. Yeah, even for the bigger jobs, I'm pretty sure this thing will do great. It is $199. Like I said, it is hackable. We'll punch that in right now. We'll see what we get. I'm pretty sure it's gonna drop down to around $120, $130 with the hack. So got the M18 12 volt lithium cordless Bluetooth AM/FM job site radio with charger, $149. You got the fuel brushless cordless high-speed ratchets, one of the newer ratchets out there. 3/8 ratchet, 199. These are solid tools for pros, even for pros. M12 fuel brushless 5 3/8 cordless circuit saw at 149. You got the die grinder. This is a right angle die grinder, 1/4 inch, valued at 219. This is the oscillating multi-tool. This is the fuel, one of the newest out there. It does come with some blades and some sanding pads. 159. That, I believe that's it for, I believe, for online. I don't know if the store is gonna have more, but online this is all we got as of now. Guys, that's it for today. You guys have a great rest of the week. Like I said, be on the lookout for that Home Depot video. We'll be doing a Lowe's video as well. So don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.